How to create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. Without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure to install both the application that is Zoom and WhatsApp and sign into the both of the accounts. Now launch Zoom application on your device. Firstly, in order to share a Zoom meeting link, you have to schedule your meeting according to your need. So tap on schedule at top right corner of the screen next to join button. Here under schedule meeting, here are different options that you have to fill up, that is the Zoom meeting's name, date, from to time, time zone, repeat, attendees and many more that you can adjust. Once you have done, tap the done button at top right corner of the screen. So let's do it. Once you tap on the Done button after you schedule the meeting, a pop-up message appears where you have to allow Zoom to access your calendar. So tap Allow button. Once done, you will get access to this other section and reach on this page where you have to simply copy all of this information in order to share your Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. So let's copy this every information here, that is the meeting ID, passcode and the link. Now tap on the copy option and go back and launch your WhatsApp application. Now open any conversation or the group chat where you want to send the link of your Zoom meeting. So you can tap on the message and then copy and paste that link. Now tap on the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and that's it, that you have successfully shared the Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.